Alright, guys. This is part 2 of me reacting to the Cuckoo Clock of Doom.
You can keep all your small dogs. You keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? The end.
Read me another, Dad. Please, Dad. Just one more. Come on, please.
You've been singing.
Oh, is he still awake?
He's afraid to go to sleep.
Michael, I want you to stop it with this time travel business. You're not gonna disappear.
Tara did.
Stop with this Tara. Who's Tara?
Honey, maybe if you just read him one more story, it'll calm
No.
him down.
I've been reading for
2 solid hours.
Dad, don't argue over me. It's not worth it. I'm not going to be here much longer anyhow.
He's making a valid point. His parents are stupid as dirt.
It doesn't seem to be warm.
Listen, buddy. I'll leave your nightlight on.
Try, please, to go to sleep. Everything's gonna be just fine.
Good night, son.
Not good night, goodbye.
Oh, good night, goodbye. He's telling the truth, and you guys are just dumb as shit. Oh no, is he a baby now? He's like an 84 or 83?
Spinning dinosaurs?
Oh no. He's...
What's that smell?
Is it turd?
Uh-oh. Does Mikey need his diaper changed? I'll just explain to her. I have to get to the antique store. Oh, great. I hope you're not running a fever. Where's she going? Maybe I should check your temperature. Oh no, anything but that.
Hey, what's
Oh, his hair is so cool, the 80s style.
Temperature's normal.
How would everybody like to go for a nice walk downtown?
Wait a minute. We could be on something.
Yeah. Maybe do some window shopping.
Getting warmer.
Take a look in that antique store.
Yes!
What do you think, huh?
Let's not go to Anthony's. What?
Well,
Gosh
can't
dang
be
it,
strong
Mommy,
like
why? Mrs. Michael's mom.
Charge is an arm and a leg. So give him an arm and a leg. Maybe we shouldn't go anywhere. He's getting fussy. How's this?
Oh, he's fine.
Hurry up. Time's running out.
Let's go to Anthony's. We're just gonna walk.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
He's able to walk at that age? Almost got it. Oh, that was close. Hurry, buddy, hurry! Just click that thing. Go, Michael, go! Go! He's back! Ow.
Michael, how many times have I told you to stay away from this clock? You're 12 years old. Act like it.
He's 12.
I am 12. I'm 12. Yes.
Well, I love you too.
Yeah.
But keep your hands off my cuckoo.
Okay, guys. Lunch is ready. Well,
They don't know what has been happening with them.
I'll get Tara.
Tara... The 1988 thing fell off. That it was supposed to be her room, but it's his dad's office. He's an only child now. Wait, what's happening?
I think I found the flaw.
A flaw?
The year 1988 is missing.
That's the year Tara would have been born.
Who's Tara?
Nobody, Dad. Nobody.
Come and eat, you nut.
Yeah, I'll be there in a second.
Mm-hmm.
It's never been born. I suppose there's some way to go back in time and get her, right?
Nah.
guess I probably ought to do that.
No, you don't have to.
One of these days.
You don't have to. I don't think he wants to. Alright guys, so that was the Cuckoo Clock of Doom, and great, you can see my cat right there. That was a great episode. Funny how they don't believe him and he knows he's in a time warp, and he was able to fix, when he adjusted that bird thingy, he was able to go back to time to where he was. So definitely a 9.5 out of 10 for my rating. But anyway, that's all I got. Actually, screw it. It's one of my favorites, so 10 out of 10. Anyway, if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, check out Ian Preston. My first channel link will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, love y'all.